The holiday season is here, a time to reflect, celebrate, and connect with the people who matter most. As we close out 2024, what better way to finish strong than by sharing your story and making a real impact on your clients, friends, and family? After all, that's what this season is all about: connection. At Podcastlaunch.ai, we're giving you a special gift this Christmas. Join me in a professional virtual studio for a personalized question and answer session where you can share your story, highlight your expertise, and create lasting impressions. While you're here, I'll also craft eye-catching video shorts for your social media, completely free, to show you just how easy it is to create content that resonates. Not sure about starting a podcast? Feeling lost in the social media shuffle? It's easier than you think, and we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to connect, inspire, and close out the year with confidence. Let's make 2024 your launchpad for 2025 success.